Monday at the shop. I'm doing billing. It's like 6:28 in the morning. Scotty's over here giving blowjobs. Morning, Scotty.
Good morning, guys. How are we?
Just doing a little Monday morning at the shop. Burnsy's not here yet.
We're trying to get things cleaned up so we can function and roll around on our carts and not step over.
I just said you were giving blowjobs because, you know.
Well, here.
Whoa! That's better than the ones I get at home. Wow.
A guy does know what a guy wants.
Oh my god. So there's the mystery of our race cars. That smells like burning electrical. We're gonna have a nice little MSD conversation here later today. Because they owe me money. Anyway, I worked on this yesterday. Blah, 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 blah. Xander, what are you doing?
Trying to take off the exhaust so we can get the transmission on.
Nice. We'll do a video on that in a momento. Because this is just... It's early. It's Monday. We have stuff everywhere. Not really, but, you know.